Hello Daniel, what are we doing today?
Today we're doing the test of the Yamaha 6 horsepower, which has now got a hydrofoil on it from EASTENER. We're gonna see if it helps us get into a plane, what it does to top speed, and with 2 persons and 1 person on board. So that's the objective for the day. So let's give it power! Yeah, that didn't work.
Are we planing?
No. Simple answer, no. But we have significantly reduced the amount of spray behind the engine, so that's a plus. We'll see on the GPS footage when we're done what it has done to the GPS speed of the boat, if that's gone up or down. Yeah, I guess we'll just see.
All right.
So what we can see from the comparison using the GoPro footage that has the GPS speed is that the speed with hydrofoil actually went down about 1 knot. But what also happened is that the hydrofoil helps lift the engine so that the bow rise doesn't get so significant. So that's kind of what we like for now at least, say that this is what we found out. And what can also be seen is that the spray with or without the hydrofoil when there's 2 persons on board remains approximately the same.
Alright, so that was 2 persons, now it's time for 1. So let's see how this goes. The acceleration is much faster, but the spray is back. So that was a wrong conclusion.
So what we can see from this now is that when I'm only 1 person on board, I can see now that the top speed without the hydrofoil is actually significantly higher than if you do have a hydrofoil on the boat. Here we're talking about in the range of 6 to 8 kilometers per hour, which is like 4 knots. That is significant.
I don't know what that will do, or don't. But this thing goes, it sprays a little bit. Maximum power! Woohoo!
So what I learned from doing this testing is that the hydrofoil doesn't appear to be making any kind of a difference, for me at least, that will enable me to go faster or anything of that sort that I want to achieve. So for me there's going to be no hydrofoil. This might be different for you. It might be if you have like a way heavier engine, this might make a difference, because there is some degree of bow lift that the hydrofoil takes care of, like makes it less significant. But other than that, I don't exactly now see why you should install a hydrofoil on your small outboard motor or on your dinghy. So that's that. Anyways, thanks very much for watching. If you like these videos, do hit the like button. Make sure you become a subscriber, and I'll see you again sooner.